We're here this morning at the Tobacco Farm Life Museum in Kenly, North Carolina, to participate in a long-standing Southern farm tradition. We will be butchering a hog today. It's a cool, crisp, late January morning, and as you can see, the sun is just beginning to peek over the horizon.
When I was in college at NC State, came home one weekend during Christmas, and we killed 22 hogs that weekend. Whole neighborhood that was out there helping us.
There's somewhere around 200, 210 pounds in that neighborhood.
It is.
Salt just completely takes the moisture out of it.
Yeah.
This, we can take the ham off.
Don't you can take that home and put it
Yeah,
on the
right
grill
out
when we
there.
get home.
There's what the spur
That
is.
was fair.
Now this right here is where you get your bacon at.
Bacon.
Well, this right here is the fat meat that comes off the hog that you will take and dry it up and make a lard and cracklings out of it. It was one of the most important things that was out of the hog back in earlier days, because it took it to fry chicken with, anything they fried in the house.
Well, I'm just warming up the fat right this minute, just getting it loosened up. Starting to make lard. You see, there's not near as much steam coming from it as it was. We're 95% there. The lard is pretty much made. There's still just a few pieces of fat that have not completely fried out yet, but it's still hot.
Right now I'm taking stuffing sausage.
Either that or I'm gonna have to go to the house and get one.
The meat, when you cut up the hog, you have, I reckon you call it scrap, or it ain't scrap, it is meat that you ain't gonna use somewhere else. So then you
We thank our sponsor, the North Carolina Pork Council, and invite everyone to join us to share in this tradition from the past at the Tobacco Farm Life Museum in Kenly, North Carolina.